I will now explain the market wake up feature. The market wake up feature is located right here. It is the alarm clock icon. So whenever you click on this, it will now give you a wake up every time there's a huge change in the market for gold, because that's the one you chose. You can choose it for anything that you want. So for example, right here, gold went down drastically. So instead of being surprised and not knowing that this happened, now you will get a notification every time this occurs. Another feature that the market wake up does is it shows you highs and lows in the market. So let's say the market is 6 hours going one way, and then it breaks, it goes down. Now you will get a notification based off that. So you'll know every time your instrument goes up or down.